Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we shall talk about very super excited feature of Google AI Studio, an incredible tool that lets you share your screen and get real-time guidance from an AI voice assistant. Whether you are coding, working with data, or troubleshooting, this tool is a game changer. So in this tutorial, we shall use some two practical examples. For example, writing SQL query to find duplicate employees and then calculate the sum of product in an Excel file. I go to my browser and type AI Google Studio. I click on it. Okay, I see this dashboard. Here you can provide your prompt to get response from Google Assistant. But I just want to get help from a voice assistant, so I click on stream real time. Okay, first you can talk to Gemini. You can start a real time conversation with your microphone. Then you can show your webcam to Gemini. You can share your screen to show Gemini what you are working on. Okay, I click on talk to Gemini and start my conversation with voice assistant. Hey, I need your help to write a SQL query.
Sure, I can help with that. What is the query that you want to write?
Let me share my screen.
Okay, I'm ready when you are.
Okay, I have shared my screen.
Okay, I see your screen. It looks like you have a table called employees with columns like employee ID and manager ID. What would you like to query?
I need to get duplicate employees from this table.
Okay, you want to find the duplicate employees based on their manager ID. Is that correct?
No. I need to write a query to get duplicate employees from this table based upon their name.
Okay, so you want to find duplicate employee names. I can help you with that. Would you like me to provide the query?
Yes, help me to write a query.
Okay, here is the SQL query to find duplicate employee names. Select name, count, from employees grouped by name having count, greater than 1. This query groups the employees by their name, and the having clause filters for names that have a count greater than 1, which indicates duplicates. Does this make sense?
Yeah, okay, I have written the query. So verify, is it correct?
Okay, can you show me the query you wrote? I will verify if it is correct.
I have written the query. Just verify it. Take a look to my query.
Okay, I see the query. Yes, the query select name, count, from employees grouped by name having count, greater than 1 is correct for finding duplicate names in the employees table.
Okay, thanks for helping. Let me verify by executing it.
Great, let me know if the query executes as expected.
Yeah, I have executed query. So what do you see? Are the results returned by query correct?
Yes, based on your query, the results that you've shown are correct. Is there anything else I can assist you with?
No, thank you.
You're welcome. Feel free to reach out if you need any further assistance.
Let's see another example. Hey, I need your help in Excel file.
Sure, I can help with that. What do you need help with in your Excel file?
Okay, let me share my screen.
Okay, I'm ready when you are.
Okay, let me know if you can see my screen.
Yes, I can see your screen. It looks like you have an Excel file open with names and cities listed. How can I help you with it?
Okay, I need to create another column, address, combining both name and city. How can I do that?
Okay, you want to create a new column that combines the name and city columns into an address column. I can help with that. To do that, you can use the concatenate function in Excel. Are you familiar with this?
Yes, I'm familiar with that, but let me know how can I do that?
Okay, to use the concatenate function, first select the cell where you want the combined name and city to appear, which would be in the first row of your new address column. Then type equals concatenate. Now click on the cell containing the first name in your list, which is cell A2, and type a comma. Then click on the cell containing the corresponding city, which is B2. Then close the parenthesis and hit enter. This will merge the contents of the two selected cells into your new cell. You can then drag down to apply the formula to the remaining rows. Would you like me to show you how to do this on the screen?
Yes, please.
Okay, I see you've started typing the formula in the cell in column C. Now, after typing equals CONA, you should see a drop-down appear. Click the concatenate option. Then, after the parenthesis, type A2 and then a comma followed by B2.
You are speaking very fast. Tell me one thing to do at a one time.
Okay, I apologize for speaking too fast. Let's slow down. In the cell C2, which is the first cell in your new column, type the equal sign, which is equals.
Okay, I have typed equal. Next.
Okay, now type concatenate, all one word.
Okay, I have typed concatenate. Next.
Great. Now type an open parenthesis, which is.
Okay, next.
Now click on cell A2, which contains the name Jack.
Okay, I just did it.
Great. Now type a comma, which is A.
Okay, next.
Now, click on cell B2, which contains the city New York.
I did.
Okay, now type a closing parenthesis, which is.
Okay, next.
Now press the Enter key.
Okay, it has concatenated, but there is no space between name and city.
You're right, there's no space. To fix that, in the formula, before the comma type, then a space, then another, so it looks like this. Then press Enter again, and it should add a space between the name and the city.
Okay, it has fixed it.
Great! Now you can drag the bottom right corner of cell C2 down to apply the formula to the remaining rows.
Okay, great. Thank you. We will keep in touch. Thank you.
Okay, sounds good. Feel free to reach out if you need anything else in the future. Have a great day.
Google AI Studio real-time conversation and screen sharing features are changing how we learn. Its real-time conversation and screen share are revolutionizing online tutorials and learning things, moving from passive watching towards interactive learning. Now you can ask questions and get instant answers while sharing your screen to get personalized guidance. An important note, when sharing your screen with AI Studio, make sure you are not sharing any sensitive or personal data like password, financial information, or confidential documents. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon for more tutorials like this. Thanks for watching.